Welcome to Friday, April 24th, as we finish up our survey in water pollution disaster week. Today is our final day on doing our surveys of some of the major water pollution disasters that have occurred throughout the world. Just as a recall of where we've been this week, on Monday we did our current event from the tornado outbreak of last week in the southeastern United States. Then on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we did a 4-part survey of water pollution disasters. Today we are working on part 4, and you'll find that attached in Google Classroom. Remember, all you need to do is write a paragraph for each of the disasters on the survey that you're working on. The paragraph should include all the important events and information regarding that particular water pollution disaster. But keep in mind that you should not be working more than 1/2 hour a day on this class. So if you don't get through all of them, but you do the ones that you have completed very well and in depth, you're fine. No more than 1/2 hour. Be sure you submit that, and we will finish up our survey of water pollution disasters. As always, when you submit it, please send a picture of it or a scan of it or however you did it, an electronic copy of it, to my email at steve.hippemeyer@ketteringschools.org. Have a fantastic day and a great weekend.